What's that?
Alright guys, on this episode, we're going to be over here on the Tundra. We're going to be installing a dash camera. And for this, we got ourselves a VanTrue S1. It is a forward-facing and rear-facing camera, so it should be pretty good. We'll give it a try, see what it works like, and go from there. So first thing we got to do, we got to disconnect the battery on the truck. That way we don't blow off any of the airbags as we're working on it. Alright, and to discharge capacitance. Boop.
Zap.
Alright.
5 minutes later.
Alright. Alright, so for the forward-facing camera, I was wrong. It's not a suction cup. It's just a little bit of an articulating thing so you can adjust it. And I thought about where the best spot is to mount this. Anywhere in here basically just gets in the way of our line of sight. Same thing on the other side. Down here, it's pretty much centered. All the wires get to come up on the rear view mirror. But I don't get to see the screen. And I'm okay with this, because all it's there is if something happens, right? So we'll go ahead, tack this guy up here, and then start running our wires everywhere else. Alright guys, so this guy, you got little snap-ons right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it on here, and then as we get it up here, we're just gonna put it in place, and then if we goof up, they do provide us a spare. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. And this is good 3M adhesive, not some cheap imitation. You know what? I need to clean that first.
You open handle folks.
Oh, I totally can put it back in. I just did. Alright. We got ethanol, which is drinking alcohol. So hopefully we got enough of a breeze in here and we don't get a little buzzed from this.
You say hopefully, but
I do say hopefully. I've been in confined spaces using alcohol before. Not a good time.
was it intentional?
Work related.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, when the catalyst for the chemical is ketamine and ethyl alcohol, ethanol,
People pay good money for that.
it's a good time. That's why I would tell you wear your damn respirator.
Crocheting my dad.
So that's pretty good. Alright, so we got that guy on here. Snaps right in place. It's out of the way. I can still get access to all the buttons back here in case I need to save something on the road. So now for the wires, we need to pull this trim right here. It's supposed to really just pull it straight down on there. So we'll run our wire straight up here, tuck it underneath the mat, all the way to the curtain right here. And then from here, we'll go the power down behind the dash cluster. And then for the interconnect, we'll run up along the pillar, all the way back into the center in the middle back there. All right, so we'll go ahead and connect our power. There it goes. 5-volt in and then a rear 5-volt in. Let's connect our rear camera as well. That way we can just tuck all this together. The wind's going to be creating wind noise, or at least partially, yeah. Alright, and then it gives us a front camera, and I think the only reason why it stipulates front versus rear is the rear one's got a straight and the front one's got the angle. That way when we plug it in, it comes up like that. So now these are going to come up right here. If I can see, which I can't. There we go. So it's going to come up and then it's going to tuck in right with the center and run right up there. So next thing I'm going to do, just leave these wires right here for now. We'll pull our 8-pillar right here so we can run this down, and then we'll also have to drop down past this edge right here to tuck the wire all the way to the back. So let's go ahead and pull this side curtain airbag cover off. Alright, so don't just tug on it. Apparently we need to pull this little SRS side curtain little plug right here. Looks like it's molded into there, but it's not. It kind of just wiggles around. So pop that guy out. And then 10mm bolt right here. Then we should be able to get at it. There we go. And then pull up and it slides out of the way. Magic. So this goes over to our mirror and then to the light in the back, and we want to make sure we don't mess with this guy right here, because that's our curtain airbag. We want to go behind the curtain airbag. So to make things easier, we'll do this. Put this up to the wire that we already have going through there. And we don't want to pinch the wires themselves. We want to go around this tubing that goes around it. And one more right at the top here. What feels right, you don't have to tap it. You don't have to keep tapping it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. Just tap it. I'm wondering if we want to pull this whole thing or just try to tuck it back here. I don't see any reason why we wouldn't be able to just tuck it back. Alright guys, so we got it all tucked up in there. Now we can put our little center cover piece back on here. So this just slides back in to the top. And then on the front side, right here, it's got a little slide clips that clip over this piece.
You might need to Dremel out a little
Yeah, I
bit.
might have to cut down the little corner right here just to get the wires in there, but we'll get it to work.
Because no DIY video is complete without a Dremel.
Yeah, we're gonna have to cut a little piece right here. That's okay.
sure that was the right side.
Yes. Damn it. So as you were. What's it as you wish?
As I was.
Oh, there it is. Good solid click. All right, now it's in place. So we decided, back over here, we're not gonna run it up this way. There's airbags all across here. There's no real way to get behind it and fish it through. There's metal channels right here that run across. So instead, we brought it up here and we're gonna run it across this way, fish it out right here, and then fish it all the way back. So in order to do this, you just get in from the side with these two little purple tabs. Down. These two little purple nipples right here, and they're just little snap-ins. So you get behind them, and you pop it off, and then the same thing on the other side. And it just drops right out. So now, I don't have crazy eye.
Oh man, crazy. Whose idea was that?
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, look at his suffering.
This is why you wear safety glasses. Even when you're not doing anything safety related. Okay. Little piece of foam. So then we're just gonna run wire straight across here and back across here. We have some foam we need to get past. So we'll just drop down with that. Then I'm gonna feed a wire through with a hook and then pull it on up. Look at that. Look at all that room.
So much room for activities. Oh, I see it.
See it?
Yeah, I'm trying to. I got my fingers on it, I just can't get a grip. Oh wait, it just went towards the front end of the truck.
Front end? It's not supposed to go to the front end. It's supposed to go to the back end.
I had it.
Yeah, it turned completely sideways here. Hold on. So, we've gone fishing. And there we go. Well, we're halfway there. Ah, there we go. This guy back on here.
Don't want to wait till we're done.
No, I don't. Waiting's for people that like to wait. Yeah, yeah.
Wisdom.
So snide and clever I am. All right, so that's good. Let's keep fishing it on back. Oh, mother.
There's a truck there.
I don't know if you guys know this, but when you kick a truck, it hurts. Oh.
This is what the people want to see.
Is this what the people want to see?
Yes, the suffering.
Oh, dick. Found you. Headliner.
It's like cotton candy.
Does it? Make sure this aligns, and there we go. Snap back in. 1, 2, we just got to figure out where exactly I'm going to put this, because this glass slides. I'm thinking
You're gonna have
right
to put
here
it
in the
there.
corner. Let's plug this guy in. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and fish the wire through. There's some room. I just gotta get it over a lip where there's a bunch of wires. Fishing. Ow.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Alright, so we got it all fished through. We got these zip tied to the other wires. Same wire loom clips right here. And we got it running all the way down. So now we're gonna go ahead and install the last piece of trim back in.
How many Ugga is that?
It's about 4 Ugga. Alright. And that's all back in and good to go. So now I gotta decide down here how I'm gonna do this. If I'm gonna just plug it in or if I'm going to take and connect it otherwise. I think for now, until I decide if I'm gonna permanently wire it in or just do that, we're gonna just take it, snake it through the back of a console, feed it out right here, and plug it into the socket. So then to get the center console area out, it's just a bunch of tabs. So you just want to get in there under the edge right here and just gently pry and it pops right up. So we're gonna do this, finish it up, and then we'll be able to fish the wire up in here and then under here and then pop it out right here so we can plug it in. All right, so I got it mostly popped all the way around, and then just gently pry it up. And that's it, and she's out.
Dodge, take notes.
All right, so now we got to get our wire right here. So you want to come in from the top? We'll feed it up here, down under, and then bring it up right here, and then pop it up. It's going to be pinched a little bit, but it's going to be pinched between plastic, so it's not going to damage it. And then put it right in there. So plug that in. I'm reading the guide. I made a promise I'm not reading the guide. You can read the guide.
Is that a clean SD card?
Yeah, there's one over there. I'll just leave it where it's at now. One straight. Perfect. Do I? Tell you in a second. If it gets clearer, take the film off. Woo! What the fuck was that?
Apparently. And this is why you get a dash camera, because there's people like this doing stupid shit.
Not impressed.
Never impressed me.